Life is just one shot, I won't hesitate. I have to live my own life. You bring the mockery, I can take it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? Alhamdulillah, because we're healthy, we can learn well. Okay, before we begin learning, let us pray first. Praying is finished. Who is not present today? Oh, good. Present all, as much as possible. Well, before start material morning today, who still remember the material last week? Yeah, what? Yes, exactly. Last week we have learned the power, roots, and logarithm. Until here, what still anyone want to ask? Well, if no one is asked, we continue the material today is about sequence, series, and trigonometry. For more detail, see the PowerPoint. Okay, let's start. Sequence, series, and trigonometry. Sequence or arithmetic or progressions. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence of the form a plus d, a plus 2d. The number a is a first term, and d is the common difference. The difference between two consecutive term is d. an minus an minus 1 is equal to d. Okay. The nth term of the arithmetic sequence a plus d, a plus 2d is a plus in bracket n minus 1 times d. A1, A2, A3 are the first three terms. A in bracket n plus 1 divided 2 is called middle term. An and a in bracket n plus 1 are two consecutive terms. Okay. Partial sum of arithmetic sequence. For arithmetic sequence a plus d, a plus 2d, the nth partial sums Sn is equal to in bracket n divided 2 times in bracket 2 times a plus in bracket n minus 1 in bracket times d, or Sn is equal to in bracket n divided 2 times in bracket a plus an. For example, in arithmetic sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, the first term is 1. The difference is 3. So, the formula for nth term is 1 plus in bracket n minus 1 times 3 is equal to 3n minus 2. Applying the formula, we can say the 100th term of the sequence is 298. The partial sum of the sequence is in bracket n divided 2 times in bracket 1 plus 3n minus 2 is equal to in bracket 3 divided 2 times n quadrat minus in bracket n divided 2. Okay. The next is geometry sequence. A times R, A times R squared is a geometry sequence. A1 is equal to A is the first term. An is equal to R times R, A times R, upper n minus 1 is the nth term of the geometry sequence. R is the common ratio. Okay. Partial sum of geometry sequence. Let Sn be the partial sum of the geometry sequence. Then Sn is equal to A plus AR plus AR squared plus blah 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 plus AR upper n minus 1, or Sn is equal to A times in bracket R upper n minus 1 divided in bracket R minus 1. For example, in arithmetic sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, the first term is 2. Okay, the first term is 2. The ratio is also 2. So the formula for nth term is 2 times 2 upper n minus 1 is equal to 2 upper n. Applying the formula, we can say the 10th term of the sequence is 2024. The partial sum of the sequence is 2 in bracket 2 upper n divided in bracket 2 minus 1 is equal to 2 upper n plus 1 minus 2. Okay, the next is the sum of finite or infinite sequence. Sigma an is equal to a1 plus a2 plus blah blah blah. It's called series. Okay, let's practice. Number 1. Could you try? Number 1, yes, student. All student, right? Okay, number 1, yes. The next is trigonometry. Trigonometry or trigonometry is the study of angle measurement. When you have a right triangle, there are 5 things. We can know that the length of the sides A, B, and C, and the measures of the acute angle A and B. Like this, the picture, triangle. Some terminology. The hypotenuse will always be the longest side and opposite from the right angle. 1 or second. The opposite side is the side directly across from the angle you are considering. Angle A. The third, the adjacent side is the side next to angle you are considering. The trigonometry functions sin, cos, tan, secant, cosecant, cotangan. Sin x is equal to opposite side divided hypotenuse. Cos x is equal to adjacent side divided hypotenuse. Tan x is equal to opposite side divided adjacent side. Cotangan A is equal to adjacent side divided opposite side. Secant A is equal to hypotenuse divided adjacent side. Cosecant A is equal to hypotenuse divided opposite side. Okay, understand all people? Okay. Here is a way to remember how to make the three basic trigonometry ratio. Soh, jah, toa is the pronoun se, kau, tu, to, e, and it means sin is opposite upper over hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent of hypotenuse, and tan is a opposite over adjacent. We can use the mnemonic silly old hen giggles and howls till old age to remember the rumus. This relationship can be summarized. Sin theta is equal to 1 divided cosecant theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 divided secant theta. Secant theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 divided cotangan theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 divided sin theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 divided cos theta, and cotangan theta is equal to 1 divided tan theta. Okay, let's practice. Fill the table below and say the equation, such as sin 0 derajat. Okay, let's practice. In here, all students can try this. Okay. The next, periodicity. The trigonometry functions are periodic. The sine, and cosine function have the period 2n times divided 316 derajat. The tangen and cotangen function have the period n times in bracket 1018 derajat. Okay, the next quadrant relations. All functions have positive values or angle in quadrant 1. Sine and cosecant have positive values for angle in quadrant 2. Tangent and cotangent have positive values for angle in quadrant 3. Cosinus and secant have positive values for angle is quadrant 4. It will help to memorize by learning this word is quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. All students take calculus. The remembering reciprocal identities like this. Quadrant 1 is all minus. Quadrant 2 student, quadrant 3 take, quadrant 4 calculus. Okay, like this. Quadrant 1 positive all, quadrant 2 sine and cosecant is positive. Quadrant 3 tan and cotangent is positive, and quadrant 4 cos and secant is positive. Sometimes when we use right triangle to model real life situation, we use the term angle of elevation and angle of depression. If you are standing on the ground and looking up at a hot air balloon, the angle tank you look up from ground level is called the angle of elevation. If someone is in the hot air balloon and look down to the ground to see you, the angle that they have to lower their eyes from looking straight ahead is called the angle of depression. Let's see the picture. Okay, let's practice. Read the following expression. Number 1, let's practice. Formulas for addition and subtraction. Okay. Number 1. Sin in bracket a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay. Cos in bracket a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Tan in bracket a plus b is equal to tan a and tan a plus tan b divided in bracket 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Please study at home and goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.